This hair pomade I will share with you on today's video is that hair pomade you need in this year 2025 that will help you to grow your hair, that will help you to retain moisture, that help to stop hair breakage, hair shedding, promote faster hair growth. Because if your hair stop falling, definitely you're going to retain more length. Okay, so this hair pomade is that hair pomade will help you to achieve that. So keep on watching to see how to prepare this amazing, powerful, massive hair growth hair pomade. To make this powerful hair pomade, our first ingredient is moringa powder. Guys, moringa is very effective in growing your hair, very effective stopping hair fall, and also preventing split end on your hair. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral, and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron, and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can prevent hair from damaging caused by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help retain moisture in the hair, and also moringa contains biotin, which can help increase the oxygen supply to the scalp. I make use of 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder, transfer it into this my plate. Next thing, I pour in my oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I'm trying to infuse oil. Okay, I'm trying to infuse moringa oil. Guys, you just need to watch this video to the end if you really want to grow that your hair. If you want to see how to prepare this recipe for that best result to boost your hair like never before, please watch the video to the end. Okay, so after mixing it up, my water is already on fire boiling. I just transfer my missing ingredient that contain my moringa powder and the oil. Okay, so I've transferred it on the fire to stir it consistent. Okay, like as I said, I want to infuse the oil of this moringa. That's what I'm going for the oil first. This first step to prepare this pomade. So I just keep on stirring it time to time. I can only infuse this only about 10 minutes. Okay, as you can see, my fire is not that high. I just use very low flame light, okay, so that the nutrients of this moringa powder will not die or will not fade out. Okay, because using high heat can kill the nutrients of this moringa. Okay, and we need that nutrient because that nutrient of moringa is what we need to boost that healthy hair growth. This is what we need to see that good result we desire. So at this moment now is almost 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down. My oil have infused. I'm okay with it. So once the 10 minutes mark, I'll brought it down and I allow it to cool down a little bit before I will strain it. After leaving the oil almost 1 hour to 2 hours, this is what I have so far. It have cooled down. So this part is very necessary, okay, so that it will not burn your hands. So this oil is ready. So next thing now, I bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth. So to strain this, you need to use something that have very tiny holes so that the moringa residues will not stuck on your hair or will not come in contact with the oil. Because if these residues of this moringa powder come in contact with this oil, that means it's going to stuck on your hair, and removing it out on your hair is not a good idea. So use something that have very tiny hole. You can use your wig cap, sheaf cloth, stockings, hanky, whatsoever that have very tiny hole. Please make use of it. Okay, so I'm spraying it now. Do you see how dark, do you see how rich this oil is? Guys, this oil is very effective, and I have in mind to make moringa oil. Okay, co-infusion moringa oil. So if you want that video from me, let me know in comment section below. Okay, if you want me to show you how to make moringa oil, the best way, the potent way to infuse moringa oil, let me know in comment section below. Okay, so after straining it, my next ingredient is my shea butter. So I'll be scooping out 1 tablespoon of my shea butter. Okay, so once I put in my 1 tablespoon of shea butter, I'll also be using my oil, 2 tablespoons of my moringa oil. Guys, I just want to make a little batch of this because I already have this at home. Okay, I prepared this and the result I'm getting on it, I say no, I need to share this with my sisters out there. Okay, so that they also know how to make this simple remedy and grow their hair 10 times faster, boost that hair growth, stop that hair shedding this year, and have that healthy hair and retain more length. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing this recipe, and also I'm making it a little batch of it. Okay, so if you want to go for larger batch, you can use 2 to 3 spoons of your shea butter and add more oil, okay, to make it. But if you want this oil to be more solid, let your shea butter be more greater than your oil. Okay, like if you add 3 tablespoons of shea butter, add only 2 tablespoons of your moringa oil. Okay, so but me, I like the consistency that I got so far, because this way will penetrate on my scalp very well, because I got low porosity. Low porosity, light consistent product work more better on our hair. But if your hair is high porosity, I like thick product. Please just do what I said, make your shea butter be more greater than your oil, and you're good to go. Okay, but I'm very okay with this consistency I've got so far. So guys, using this product is all you need in this year 2025 to moisturize your hair, keep your hair hydrated, keep your hair healthy and moisturize. Shea butter is that remedy that will help you to moisturize your hair. Shea butter help retain moisture to our hair. Shea butter contains fatty acid and the vitamins that can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. There is a lot of benefit in using shea butter on your hair, and time will not permit me to do so. Okay, time will not permit me to mention them all. Just do your research on shea butter. You see that shea butter is very great in incorporating it on your hair regimen, especially if you want to stop hair fall. If your hair is so hard for you to manage, shea butter will help you to soften your hair, give you that natural shine and promote faster hair growth. Okay, so I just add vitamin E. If you don't have it, please just skip this part. Okay, and also if you have essential oil, it can also make use of it. Okay, so I'm mixing it up so that the vitamin E oil that I add can mix up with this pomade. So how to use this for best results? Please use this on a damp hair. Do not use this on a dry hair or a dry scalp, so that you get the best results. Okay, so make sure your hair is damp. You can use your plain water, or you can use your tea spray to damp your hair before you do. This is a sealant. Okay, this is a sealant. Okay, and don't wash it out. Okay, just allow it to sit on your hair. Whenever I want to moisturize your hair, you apply your liquid form tea spray, follow up with this thing. Okay, and you're good to go. Your hair will keep on hydrated, moisturized for a very long period of time. Okay, and also please store this in a cool dark place. Don't put this in your refrigerator. Okay, just keep it in a cool dark place and it will be safe. This can last up to 6 months. Okay, and will not go bad, so far that the moringa powder you prepare did not come in contact with water. Believe me, this will last you very long period of time. Okay, so I hope that this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not done so. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed, dear. I love you so much, but God love you most. Bye.